See some frost when you wake up in the morning if you live far enough away from the coast.
Tomorrow is your pick day of the weekend with lots of sun. It'll reach the mid-60s. Not warm, but certainly warmer. In fact, it's about where we ought to be this time of year.
Mike says the clouds move in on Sunday along with a band of rain ahead of the next cold front Sunday night into Monday. More on that's coming up in the full forecast.
Breaking news first. This is continuing news from 104.5 WOKV.
World Health Organization says a team of experts are looking into the origins of the coronavirus in China. Executive Director Dr. Michael Ryan says the group will head to China at the beginning of January.
They will not be, as you say in quotes, supervised by Chinese officials.
He says the vaccine should give people hope, but warns that the next 3 to 6 months are going to be tough. WOKV News Time 6:32. Coming up, we're going to update you on your drive in Orange Park, and more Brian Kilmeade next.
Connect with WOKV with one simple phone call. Grab your cell phone and dial ***1045. That's ***1045. We'll send you a link to listen live. Download the app, check the radar, and much more. This is 104.5 WOKV, Jacksonville's news and talk.
I'm Chip Davis of Mannheim Steamroller. You know, at our home in Nebraska, we really love to decorate our Christmas tree. German immigrants brought the first Christmas trees to America. President Grover Cleveland brought the first illuminated tree to the White House lawn in 1895. Mannheim Steamroller and I have been part of that lighting ceremony 3 times now. What a great honor it was. But America's official Christmas tree isn't in Washington. It's actually a giant sequoia in California, growing at Kings Canyon National Park. It's estimated to be over 3,500 years old, older than Christmas itself. And I'm Chip Davis of Mannheim Steamroller.
Brought to you in part by MBytes. Digitize those old family photos and videos and share the joy of family memories. Happy holidays from MBytes.com.
Hi everyone, Brian Kilmeade for Jacksonville's Real Estate Authority, Phil Aiken with Aiken Home Team, Keller Williams Realty. Who you choose and trust to sell your home is one of the biggest decisions you can make. Getting the most money possible in a hot market may seem pretty simple, right? Unfortunately, one small mistake can cost you thousands of dollars. Take it from me. Call Phil Aiken with no obligation. Let Phil show you how he mastered the home selling process that puts you in the driver's seat. The fact that Phil already has thousands of ready-to-go buyers, setting Phil and his team apart from other agents, Phil literally showcases your home to actual buyers who are pre-screened and looking for a home just like yours. This is how Phil sells faster and for more money than the average agent, and how he creates higher demand and many times multiple offers. The best part is Phil is so confident he will sell your home at a price agreeable to you, or he will buy it himself, guaranteed in writing. Call Phil Aiken at 904-500-PHIL, that's 904-500-7445, or visit philhasthebuyers.com, that's philhasthebuyers.com.
This is Mike Lester with the Guard Your Nest Egg radio show. Week after week, I talk to people across the country about their concerns as they approach retirement and after retirement. With so many unknowns, the economic headlines can feel overwhelming. If you have questions, I'm here to encourage you to take a deep breath and get to work on a strategy for moving forward. If my team and I can help, visit guardyournestegg.com.
Securities offered through World Equity Group Inc., member FINRA and SIPC.
With PatriotSoftware.com, accounting and payroll, keep your time and money.
Mike Capel here, serial entrepreneur with words from another happy payroll customer.
Well, it's very easy to use. The login and the setup was extremely easy. I didn't have to call anyone for help. I was able to do it on my own. And I love the fact that I can run my payroll and print my pay stubs, and then you guys do all of the filing for me. So I get a quarterly report that everything's been filed on my behalf, and then at the end of the year I can print out my W-2s. So I use you guys. I tell everybody, it's the easiest thing I've ever done. Why anybody doesn't use you, I don't know.
Visit us at PatriotSoftware.com. Use promo code RADIO and get 2 months of payroll free. That's PatriotSoftware.com.
With PatriotSoftware.com, accounting and payroll, keep your time and money.
The hardest part of any goal is oftentimes getting started. All month long, we're going to help you get started on the path for a happier you for free and without having to leave your home. If your business would like to get involved, visit GetStartedJags,